I just love the fact that everybody adhered to the theme. The theme is all black and shade. Shout out to Franco. Shout out to Durban for respecting his party, coming early to a daytime party. Shout out to everyone wearing all black, as the team said. So that's my highlight right now, is that Wongwe Umuntu actually followed what they were supposed to do for this event. So let's everyone. It's me, your boy Benny Maverick, at the All Black and Shades event in Durban. Shout out Franco Fanticula, and thank you for tuning in. And I just want to say, hashtag pro Kuzapi event.
The love from people from home, you know, because I've been like doing shows and stuff, like I'm seeing people how they actually show love, but to see people from your hometown showing love is crazy.
Hashtag pro Kuzapi.
Oh my goodness, I'm not short, I'm tall. International note. I think it's well. That's it. Ay.
Bro, what shows you are? So why are you making so much waves, bro? You guys are the top of the country. What the fuck is going on?
I'm just being myself, bro. And for me, I'm gonna clean the music industry or the entertainment space and get rid of the gatekeepers so my kids can have a better entertainment space.
I respect that. What has been the moment that you say it's outstanding for you, we all black and shades, since you got here on this show?
Today,
yeah.
Today was a dope show. I enjoyed seeing Satril perform. Killed it. Sinom Solo killed it. Sykes killed it. But the main guy, the main man,
Funky,
like Funky fucking killed it. He funked it.
I think to sum it all up, he funked it.
this show is amazing. It's on another level. Like amazing. Like that has been consistent from when I got here. I think soon after I got here, I think this current stage as well started doing things. And like the level of the energy, like rooftop,
Yeah.
So and yeah, number again, and after the village,
Para kumboni. Yabona yachuluka.
Like somebody I really have true love for. Like it's a very like real nigga, you know.
Yeah.
This guy's a very loyal, very cool person.
Yeah.
I always tell him that skies is him because I'm gonna see more better, more higher in Jesus.
Yeah,
So, you know, this constant whole black shit, I got to be there. I have to go for new, shopping, you know. So fucking kill him. Mr. Rari. You know, I gotta put my Rari.
Fasting is slow mo, so la la no no no. Teluko loco, zinja zanyonyo. Paso pasiamboro, paso pasiamboro, paso pasiamboro, paso pasiamboro. Zinja zanyonyo.
I think it's the first outdoor event here at Cape Town. Facebook na next year abantu babona.
Welcome to Crossfields of the Community, and you know what we're all about. Namhlanje, Laleland, all black and shade. Tiwa, this news is incorrect. Save last for the best or best for the last.
Fucking Mr. Events himself, yeah.
Yeah, who missed the party, Gategan?
Annual event. Appreciate my friends who sent out you guys showed me some love and my friends who supported Magnina.
No, it's fine. Dalel, we all about that. We all about that. Not fucking good, I'm afraid.
Abantu bethu which is into ebengayilindele bona abafowethu senza nabo ama-event abakhona la i-event abangijabulelile bathi hey babe, this is amazing, discuss ukuthi senathi abantu like you understand. So abantu abaningi angeke ngisho ukuthi bebe-down but they had that thing ukuthi it's the first time ngiletha event ngiletha la, so it might happen ukuthi ibe ney'qingi but obviously bethi iyaqhubeka abantu bayijekisele
Speaking of ilokishi, bekunomgilane lasiza kanje. Dale. All right.